how small this area is, carpet one's not going to fit here. And one of her concerns was these filtration lines. Now, a way to combat this is with your vacuum, you take the lance piece off. That way you're operating it like if you're going to vacuum your upholstery or something. And then you run it around these areas because the carpet is a huge filter. So it's causing these to build up over time. And because this is such a small area, you kind of have to use a smaller tool. So that's why I'm using my upholstery tool. And I pre-sprayed these areas ahead of time. CRB'd all the carpet. And then now extracting around these. Is it tedious? Absolutely. Should you charge a little extra? Absolutely. Because this is like cleaning upholstery in a sense. But it is their biggest concern, so I really want to try and make these look the best they can. Get as much of it out as I can. But at the same time, I'm using my upholstery tool for more direct contact. So that way when I'm putting moisture through, I'm not going to do any damage to the wood. So that way I can still make an improvement, if not make them look, really good. But being a light color carpet and it's actually 20 years old, you got to set reasonable expectations. I'm sure I can probably say I'm probably the first one to do something like this to it to help improve it for her. So the goal here is to, please them with the effort made, because they are a new client. They were referred by a flooring store that has done work for me personally and has been very kind and sent us a lot of work. So I want to continue that relationship by doing right by their clients, so that way I can keep getting those referrals and, of course, more repeat business. So that's why I'm doing this.